Hello, my dear ethical hackers. Welcome back. Since we are on the topic of emails, let us talk about a very important tool called HIBP, Have I Been Pawned tool. This tool was created by Troy Hunt, and the purpose of this tool is to check if your email address or your password has ever been exposed in data breaches. Now, isn't that a useful thing for you to check? This tool is checking the various breaches that are there and seeing if your personal information has been compromised. What does this tool provide? It is checking for a breach check. So you can enter your email address or your password and see if it has undergone any data breaches. And it provides what kind of information has been breached, whether your email address has been compromised, whether your credit card information has been compromised, or your password details have been compromised, what other details have been compromised. And it can be used as a notification service to see if your email is found in any future breaches, and also for password monitoring. Let's get on with this and let's see how we can use the Have I Been Pawned tool. Let's just go to Google, and here you can type in Have I Been Pawned. That's it. The very first website is the one that you want to click on. So this is the website. All you need to do is you need to enter your email address, and it'll show you in how many data breaches your email address has been compromised. Just click on pawned, and no pawnage found. You can see it's not breached at all. If it was, it would have given you the details. You can try my other email address, and you will see that this email address has been pawned nearly 18 times. That's 18 data breaches, and you will see that it was breached by Big Basket, or rather Big Basket was breached, and this resulted in the loss of details like your date of birth, email address, IP address, names, password, phone numbers, physical address. All this was compromised. Canva was breached in 2019, and the details that I lost because of that was my email addresses, my geographical location, names, usernames, and passwords. Domino's 2021 April, nearly 13 terabytes of data was compromised by Domino's India, and 22.5 million unique email addresses, names, phone numbers, stuff like physical address, purchase details were compromised, and so many other websites, dubsmash.com, gadi.com, gravtar.com, indiamart.com. Now, whenever you are registering to any of these websites, you are using your email address. And when those websites get hacked, unfortunately, your email address also gets compromised. That is what Have I Been Pawned is basically used for. How to prevent this from happening? Don't worry, we'll talk about that in the next video.